Hi Cardinals! Welcome back. Today we're going to explore our numbers again past our teen numbers. We're going to explore our numbers on our Reckon Rack. We're going to see if we can find some teen numbers hidden inside some of our larger amounts. We're going to start off remembering what our Reckon Racks look like by building some number bonds that go with certain amounts. I want to build a number bond of 7. How many beads do I need to build a number bond of 7? I need 7 beads. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I don't need these other beads. Let's look at our 7 beads. If I was going to create a number bond with these 7 beads, how would I create that number bond? What parts do you see? I see my whole amount is 7. I see one part in red. The part I see in red is 5 beads in red. I see another part in black. I see 7 has 2 beads in black. So hiding inside of 7 is 5 and 2. 5 and 2 make 7. Can you find some numbers hiding inside another amount? Let's try making a number bond for 8. Our whole amount should be 8. How many beads do we need? We need 8 beads. Let's count out our 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we don't need these other 2. We now have a group of 8. How are we making 8 on the Reckon Rack? What's one of our parts? 5. Where did the 5 come from? From the red beads. What's another part on our Reckon Rack? 3. Where did the 3 come from? From the 3 black beads. What 2 numbers are hiding inside the number 8? Yes, 5 and 3 are hiding inside the number 8. 8 is 5 and 3. Great job! Let's try another amount. Let's make a number bond for 10. If I'm making a number bond for 10, looking at my Reckon Rack, what could my 2 parts be? 5. What's the other part? 5. Great job. Where did this 5 come from? From the red beads. Where did this 5 come from? From the black beads. What 2 numbers are hiding inside of 10 on my Reckon Rack? 5 and 5 make 10. Great job, Cardinals. Now let's use some hide 0 cards to make numbers up to 100. Let's look at my first set of hide 0 cards. These look different because this is not a set of 10. This is 30. Then I can take my 7, hide the 0, and I get a new amount. I get 37. What's hiding inside of 37? 30 and 7. Good job. So does this 3 mean 3? No way, Miss McKay. That 3 means 30. 3 tens. Let's look at our next amount, 40 and 8. Say hide the 0. Great job, 48. What's the next amount? 20 and 6. Hide the 0. What's your new amount? 26. Kiss your brains. You are doing such a great job. Now let's be mathematician magicians as we listen to our story problem today. Listen for the important parts of our story. The light is out and it's dark. Peter knows that he left 7 blue and green beads for his crafts on his desk. Stop. What was the important part? 7 blue and green beads. He can't see how many are blue or how many are green in the dark. Draw a picture to show what the colors of the beads might be when he turns out the light. We know that we need 7 of the beads. Some of the beads are blue and some of the beads are green. When I hear some, I know that I'm the boss. So I get to determine how many are blue and how many are green. If these are his 7 beads, I can color some of them blue and I can color some of them green. In my picture, I have 5 blue and 2 green. Can you make another picture showing his beads a different way? How could you show his beads a different way? 4 and 3, 1 and 6, 5 and 2. Great job. Why could I not do 7 and 0? Because it said some of them were blue and some of them were green. It doesn't say that all of them are blue or all of them are green. So you cannot use 7 and 0. Great job. Now let's explore some of our numbers past the teen numbers on our Reckon Rec. We're going to see if there is a teen number hiding inside. Let's try to build 24. We need 2 groups of 10, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see on my Reckon Rec a group of 10. Then I see a teen amount, 10, 4. So for 24, I see a group of 10 and a group of 14. 14 is a teen amount hiding inside of my Reckon Rec for 24. That's pretty cool. Let's try another one. Our new amount we want to try is 31. If I say 31, how many groups of 10 do we need to make 31? Yes, we will need 3 groups of 10. Ready? Let's count by 10. Hold on just 1 second. Oops, sorry about that, Cardinals. I'm trying to group these together so we can count by 10. They're being a little difficult. Oh well, we'll do our best. Ready, go. 10, 20, I want to move this all at the same time. 30, 31. Great job. I see a group of 10, a group of 10, a group of 10, and one left over. I see 20 and then a teen amount. Can you find the teenage amount? 10, 1. That is 11. Great job. Let's explore some more higher amounts and find those teen numbers hidden inside. Let's look at the first problem. I see 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So in my box, I wrote the number 33. Then I had to come find a group of 10 and some left over. The group of 10 and some left over was 13. So my hidden teen number was 13. Let's look at the next group. I see 10, 20, 1. So we should write 21. What teenage amount is hiding inside of 21? Well, I see a group of 10 and 1 left over. 10, 1. What's that teenage amount? 11. It's okay if this looks a little tricky. Miss McKay is doing it with you. When we get into first grade, we'll learn how to pull out those groups of 10s even more. Oh, these smiley faces, there are so many. Let's count to see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one group of 10. If this is exactly the same, that should be two groups of 10. This is exactly the same. 3 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30. Count on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I have 38 happy faces. Let's find a group of 10 to go with these leftovers. Here's a group of 10 and 8 leftovers. 10, 8. What's the teenage amount? 18. Great job. Let's look at our next groups. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is how I write 25. Here's a group of 10, and here are some leftovers. 10, 5. What teenage number is 10, 5? 15. Great job. Let's look at our next amount. Our stars are 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. We have 32 stars. Here are our leftovers, and here's a group of 10. Can you tell me the teenage number that's 10, 2? Yes, 10, 2 gives us 12. 12 is hiding inside of 32. Last problem, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Here are our leftovers, and here's a group of 10. 10, 7. What's the teenage number? 17. These were some sneaky hiders inside of our bigger numbers. Great job finding your teenage numbers and exploring your higher amounts on your Reckon Rice today. I want you to look carefully at these different amounts. Which way was easiest for you to count? Why would these in the 10 frame be easier to count than these happy faces? Yes, in the 10 frame they are organized. It's much easier to count our groups of 10 when they are organized. Great job! Remember, when we make our teenage number parts, the whole amount is the biggest or largest amount. Then we pull out our tens and our leftovers for our parts. So 10, 6 is 16. Can you think of some groups that are larger than our teenage numbers? Where could we find things that are more than just our teenage numbers? Look around. I'm sure that you could find some groups that you can put into tens. Great job, Cardinals. I am proud of you. Have a wonderful day.